workshop. Our 3-day training program in Noida was a huge success, providing participants with critical knowledge, hands-on experience, and networking opportunities. Partners gained a comprehensive understanding of our products, their industrial applications, and troubleshooting techniques. This training program is designed for Rocksensor's authorized channel partners to provide comprehensive knowledge of our products, including their application, installation, commissioning, and troubleshooting. Over 3 days, attendees will gain both theoretical insights and hands-on experience to strengthen their expertise. Key training points. Day 1.
So I'm providing information.
Get ready to discover the essential principles of flow measurement, explore cutting-edge technologies, and learn how these innovations are transforming industries around the world. Our expert service engineers are providing hands-on training with advanced flow instruments. This practical experience ensures you gain the skills and confidence needed to work with the latest flow measurement technologies, empowering you to optimize performance and drive success in your operations.
Our trainers are highly experienced professionals with deep industry knowledge, ensuring you receive top-tier guidance and insights. Their deep understanding of flow measurement technologies ensures you are not just learning theory, but gaining practical skills that will make an immediate impact on your operations. Rocksensor's service and operations teams are composed of highly experienced professionals dedicated to delivering outstanding support and seamless solutions. Day 2.
Get this one. It comes with blank connections and
Day 2 focuses on mastering level and pressure measurements for optimal control and efficiency. Explore Rocksensor's website for detailed information on our cutting-edge products, designed to optimize your flow, level, temperature, and pressure measurement needs.
Next, we come to the types of temperature transmitters offered by Rocksensor. First one is clean mount.
Day 3.
So basically, there are two portions, two sensors. This is one is receiver, one is antenna. So it will be installed diagonally opposite to each other. So let me show you how it basically helps.
420 volts and RS485, then used in basically building automation, hotel, library, and rooms and plant.
The fixing design on this, this extended part, right? So this is lowering the temperature as it goes ahead and ahead. Okay. So here the temperature will be less than 300 degrees.
Workshop participants. Team building activities.
I would like to recommend Rocksensor products to all my customers because they have a lot of products in instrumentation range, and I can vouch for the quality because we have installed in so many places, and they come with a lot of certifications like intrinsically safe, ATEX approved. So I think it's high time all of you start using Rocksensor products and get a good performance. Thank you.
I know the Rocksensor is growing with a rapid speed. In future, definitely the more details will be added in future, and the more and more sales will be increased in the terms of yeah.
Rocksensor इसीलिए रेफर करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि इसमें बेस्ट क्वालिटी है और मल्टीपल सॉल्यूशन भी है और बेस्ट सर्विस भी है.
I will highly recommend Rocksensor products to new customers because of their product quality, service from technical staff, timely response at the time of fault, and good delivery time.
मैं सभी लोगों को ये रिकमेंड करना चाहूँगा कि आप अगर इंडस्ट्रीज में प्रोसेस इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स अगर यूज़ करना चाहें तो रॉकसेंसर के यूज़ करें, क्योंकि अभी तक हमने जहाँ पर भी दिया है तो मुझे कस्टमर से जो फीडबैक मिला है वो बहुत पॉजिटिव मिला कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं और बहुत अच्छे से वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए मैं सभी को ये चीज़ रिकमेंड करना चाहूँगा.